Hello and welcome, this is Azharul, and from this video we are going to learn how to set up a complete blog site for affiliate marketing step by step from the very beginning. We are going to use WordPress and Bluehost hosting to create the website, and for your information it is going to cost you some money for the hosting service, and all the other tools and plugins we are going to use throughout this video to set up the website are going to be free of cost. So to start the process, at the very first stage we'll learn how to get domain name idea from a free website. Then we are going to purchase a domain name and hosting plan for the blog. We will install WordPress. Then we're going to set up the website with all essential plugins for affiliate marketing. Then I'll cover what are the important pages you need for an affiliate marketing website. We are going to create these important pages and we'll do all the other important settings for our blog. After setting up the website, I will show you how to create a blog post by adding images, videos, and most importantly, by adding your affiliate links so that you will be able to generate money from your blog site. And finally, I'm going to share the resources where you will find affiliate products to promote and some other resources to find newly launched products for low competition so that you'll be able to generate money easily. So please watch the video till the end if you are serious enough to learn every single steps to start your affiliate marketing website today. So without further ado, let's start from selecting a good domain name for the blog site.